Chapter 1 Number Systems Exercise 1.3 Question number 1. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. Example 1. 36 upon 100. Normally we perform the long division like 36 divided by 100 to write the decimal expansions. But when the denominator is a power of 10, when the denominator is the number starting with 1 and has only zeros after 1, then in such cases we don't actually have to perform the long division. What we can do is move the decimal point in the numerator one place to the left for each zero in the denominator. For example, 45 upon 10, there is one zero after 1. So move the decimal point one place to the left and we get 4.5 as the decimal expansion. Another example, 57 upon 1000. Here we have 3 zeros after 1. So move the decimal point 3 places to the left and you get 0.057 as the decimal expansion. I hope now you know how to write the decimal expansion of 36 upon 100. Since we have 2 zeros after 1 in the denominator, we'll move the decimal point 2 places to the left and we'll get the answer 0.36, and it is a terminating decimal expansion. Example 2. 1 upon 11. To find the decimal expansion of 1 upon 11, perform the long division. So write here 1 divided by 11. Since 1 is smaller than 11, add a decimal point in the quotient to add a 0 in the dividend. Now the dividend becomes 10, but still it is smaller than the divisor 11. So add one more 0 to the dividend. To add an extra 0 in the dividend, first we need to add a 0 in the quotient. So here we add a 0 in the quotient and an extra 0 in the dividend. Now we can divide 100 by 11. 11 nines are 99. 100 minus 99 equals to 1. Since 1 is smaller than 11, again we need to add a 0, and now we have 10 in the remainder. Even 10 is smaller than the divisor 11. So for an extra 0, add a 0 in the quotient and add a 0 in the remainder. Again we can divide as 11 nines are 99. 100 minus 99, we get 1 as the remainder. If we go on dividing like this, we'll keep on getting 1 as the remainder, and the digits 0 and 9 will keep repeating in the quotient. So the decimal expansion of 1 upon 11 is 0.09, and the bar on top of 09 shows that the digits 0 and 9 are repeating. Thus 1 upon 11 has a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Example 3. 4 and 1/8. First, convert the mixed fraction to an improper fraction. To convert the mixed fraction, multiply the denominator with the whole number and add the product to the numerator. 8 multiplied by 4 equals to 32. 32 plus 1 equals to 33. Thus we get 33 upon 8. 4 and 1/8 is equal to 33 upon 8. To find the decimal expansion of 33 upon 8, perform the long division. So write here 33 divided by 8. 8 fours are 32. 33 minus 32 equals to 1. Since 1 is smaller than the divisor 8, take a decimal point in the quotient and add a 0 in the remainder. Now we have 10 in the remainder. So we can divide 8 ones are 8. 10 minus 8 equals to 2. Since 2 is smaller than 8, we add a 0 here, and now we have 20 divided by 8. 8 twos are 16. 20 minus 16 equals to 4. Add a 0 to the remainder. Now 8 5s are 40. 40 minus 40, we get 0. So 33 upon 8 has a terminating decimal expansion. The decimal expansion of 33 upon 8 is 4.125 and it's a terminating decimal expansion. Example 4. 3 upon 13. Perform the long division 3 divided by 13. Here we have performed the long division and we get quotient as 0.230769, and if we continue to divide further, then we'll again have the same block of digits repeating. So the decimal expansion of 3 upon 13 is 0.230769. The bar over the digits 230769 shows that the block of digits 230769 keeps repeating. So 3 upon 13 has non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Example 5. 2 upon 11. 2 divided by 11. Here we have performed the long division and the quotient is 0.1818. The digits 1 and 8 are repeating in the quotient. Thus 2 upon 11 has non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Example 6. 329 upon 400. 329 divided by 400. Here we have performed the long division and we get the remainder 0. The quotient is 0.8225. Thus 329 upon 400 has a terminating decimal expansion. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.